Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shanara, and today we're going to be making these stuffed bell peppers. So guys, while I was cutting the tops off the peppers, I also had some vegetable broth boiling. You can use chicken broth or whatever broth you want. I don't eat chicken, so that's why I use the vegetable broth. Yeah. Guys, the purpose of the broth is to give it extra flavor and also to make them a little bit more softer when you stuff them and put them in the oven. You're going to just let them boil for about 4 to 5 minutes or until you like it. So once you've chopped up your peppers, you want to brown some ground beef or your choice of stuffing. I'm using the plant-based Beyond Beef ground, but whichever one you prefer, just cook it accordingly, season accordingly, and add your peppers. Also, to add to this, I'm gonna add some jambalaya rice. You can use any kind of rice, yellow rice, Spanish rice, whatever kind of rice is your favorite. And there you have it, our delicious stuffed bell peppers. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and like always, thank you so much for watching and sending you nothing but love, happiness, and blessings your way. Peace.